The invisible cage. Level 1. You're young, full of dreams, and your bank account is empty. But then, a flashy ad or a friend whispers, "Why wait? Just $50 a month, and this $1,200 smartphone is yours today." It feels like you've outsmarted the system. You have the shiny gadget in your hand, and only a tiny bit of cash left your pocket. But here is the trap. At level 1, you haven't just bought a phone. You are trading your freedom. You've just signed a contract to show up at a 9-to-5 job you might hate for the next 24 months, because that monthly payment doesn't care about your soul. You've just stepped into a cage where the bars aren't made of iron, but of digital digits. Level to the status game. Now you have the phone, so you think you need the designer clothes, the luxury car, and the lifestyle to match. You get your first credit card, and it feels like free money. You start spending not for yourself, but to impress people you don't even like. In level 2, the cage gets smaller. Every swipe is another brick in the wall of your own prison. Your boss can scream at you now, and you'll take it. Why? Because he knows you can't afford to quit. You're shackled by a car note and a lifestyle that owns you more than you own it. You are now a successful slave in a golden cage. Level 3. The Ghost Thief. Level 3. The Inflation Monster. You worked hard, got a promotion, and thought you were finally winning. But suddenly, eggs are $7, gas is up, and your rent is skyrocketing. Your savings are shrinking even though you haven't spent a dime. This is the rigged math of the system. Imagine a village where a banker gives everyone 100 coins but demands 105 back. That extra 5% never existed, it was never printed. To survive, you have to run faster on a treadmill where the speed increases every year. This is the invisible tax. The system is inhaling your purchasing power while you sleep, making sure you stay on the hunt for more coins forever. Level 4. The Life Sentence. Level 4. The Reckoning. You're 45 now. You have the big suburban house and a mountain of debt. You look in the mirror and realize your most precious years were traded for things that are now sitting in a junkyard or are hopelessly outdated. Level 4 is where most people stay until they die. The invisible cage is now fully locked. You've spent your life's energy servicing debt for things that didn't bring you joy. You realize the stranger who gave you those magic coins at level 1 never wanted the money back, he wanted your time, he wanted you. Level 5. The Awakening. Level 5. True Freedom. This is the exit. You stop playing the status game. You stop buying things to impress others and start building assets, things that pay you. Level 5 is the moment you step off the treadmill. You realize that true wealth isn't a high credit limit. It's the ability to wake up and say, "I can do whatever I want today." The cage was always in your mind. The moment you realize money is a tool and not a master, the bars vanish. You stop trying to look rich, and you finally become free. The Reckoning. Whether the chains are made of gold or iron, they still keep you locked up. You can't change the system overnight, but you can change your choices. The debt you owe isn't just money, it's your life. The question is, what level are you on, and are you ready to break the cage? Remember, if you stop learning, you stop winning. Choose your freedom today.